my grandson and I are going to build a keepsake box, and to do that we've cut us two ends, two sides, a bottom and a top. But we're going to complicate that a little bit because we're going to, instead of making it with a hinge, we're going to make it where the top slides in, and then we're going to carve his name on the top. But in order to do that, since the top and the bottom came out of the same size piece, I'm going to run a rabbet around the edges that make these two sides sit in just enough that when we cut that slot, this will then be wide enough to catch in that slot. It'll make more sense as we go along. So let me set up my dado set to cut the right size rabbets and slots. Okay, I thought I was going to use my dado blade set on my my table saw, but that didn't work out so good when I did a test piece. So it dawned on me that I had a new router bit that I was using for another project when I made my wife a shift robe, and being new, the blade is very sharp and turns out it worked kind of nice on my test. So what I'm going to do is cut a rabbet around the three sides of this. Okay, here we go. Alright, now that will fit right there, like so. Then the ends will go in, like so. Nice. Nice. Now I'm going to run the route around the top to receive the lid. Okay, now we have our rabbet all the way around the side, and that's where the lid is going to slide in, right up there. So, alright, there's our bottom. It sort of fits like this. It's supposed to fit like that. Alright, now we'll put this side on and cut it down to here, and then the lid will just slide right in. Alright, let's do some gluing. Okay, now we're fixing to fire the gun and glue this puppy up. Tell you what, I'm going to put one more level of that nozzle off. It's just too challenging. It's the third time the charm, you reckon? This is a new bottle, so I'm still learning how to use it. Oh yeah, okay. Perfect. Yeah, I'll know that from now on. I don't want too much glue, but I sure want enough. I can always wipe it off, but I can't. A lot harder to put more on once you put it together. Oh yeah, I like that bottle. Once you get it adjusted, a lot of control in it. You don't wait. First 10 videos I did, I was waiting forever for the glue to fall when I'd have to glue up something. You had to store your bottle upside down and it'd be dripping all the time. Alright. I like that. All right, here comes the fun part. We either got it right or we didn't. You know, if I put that on the right way, it works so much better. It just does. Funny how that works. Start with a loose clamp to start with, so I can still adjust it. And tighten it up a little as we go. Get some longer clamps. Don't tell me that's not going to be long enough. Please don't tell me that. Please don't tell me that. Ooh. I got one long enough, but it is not the one I wanted to do. Not the one I wanted to do. But it'll work. It will. Matter of fact, I think we can do that from here. Might be the best way to do that. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't prepare enough for the lift that time, but you live and learn. Live and learn. Now I'll clean that glue up the best I can. Thinking that's working out all right. Looks like it. All right, I think when that dries, it was a relatively good box. We'll see. I think. I'm never sure, but I think. Maybe, maybe, maybe. For better or worse, I'm going to do a carving to go on the top of my grandson's keepsake box, but that's going to take several hours to do, so I'm going to do a separate video of that. And so at this point I'm just going to skip forward to when we finished up the box.
Alright, here it is, folks.
Alright, we started this project yesterday. Now, that just slides right in there. Make sure we're in frame. We are.
What in frame?
Reed's keepsake box. Alright. I think we're done.
Yeah.
That would almost be neat if those were just mounted right there some kind of way.
Oh yeah, that would be cool.
But you can always just put them there. But there you go.
I don't want to waste them.
That top slides like a champ, doesn't it? Look
Yep.
at that. That is slick.
Yeah. How
Next time
did you
come,
like measure it for?
Yeah, I did some fitting.
Yeah.
I sanded it.
Yeah.
Until
If
it
you
went in there
didn't do
just right.
any measuring, wow, you would guess the right length.
Yeah, I cut it just a little bit big, and I brought it down to size because if you
You had to make this piece a little.
If you make it too small to start off with.
Yeah, a little more small than the box, because this goes in and the box is bigger than this because it's sliding in and there's no hole out here, so
You can always bring it down, but you can't make it bigger.
yeah.
Well, you can, but it's
If
a
you
lot more
glue
trouble.
stuff to it,
Yeah,
which is a little more,
a little bit of work.
yeah, a little more hard.
All right, next time you come, we'll put some finish on that.
Like paint it. Ooh,
There you
we
go,
can
bud.
paint it with fidget spinners on it instead of putting fidget spinners on it. We can paint it with fidget spinners.
Tell you what. Take it, and I'm going to get a picture out here of you holding it. Let me start this one. All right, this is Reed, and he's holding that box that we just got through making. Turned out nice, didn't it, bud? Fun times in Papa's shop.
Yep.
All right. Hope everybody enjoys the video.
Yeah.
By the way, did I mention I love being Papa?